Chapter: Classification of Animals. Animals. There are different kinds of animals in the world. They are of different shapes and sizes. Some animals are big, for example, tiger, lion, etc. Some animals are small, for example, rabbit, rat, etc. Different animals live at different places. Animals that live on land. Wild animals. Animals that live in jungles are called wild animals. Tigers, lions, elephants and bears are examples of such animals. Domestic animals. Animals that live in or near our homes are called domestic animals. Cow, cat, dog, sheep, horse, camel and goat are examples of such animals. Animals that live in water. Some animals live in water. They are called water animals. Water animals are also known as aquatic animals. Water animals include whale, starfish, shark, octopus, seahorse, etc. Animals that live both on land and in water. There are some animals that live both on land and in water. These animals are called amphibians. These include frog, crocodile, crab and turtle. Birds. Birds are animals that can fly. All birds have 2 wings, 2 legs and a beak. Pigeon, sparrow, owl, crane etc. are birds. There are some birds that have webbed feet. These birds can swim in water, for example, duck and swan. Most of the birds can fly high in the air, for example, kite, eagle, vulture etc. There are some birds which cannot fly, for example, ostrich, penguin, kiwi. These are heavy in weight. These have weak feathers. Insects. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. They may have 2, 4 or no wings at all. Such creatures are called insects. They can fly with the help of these wings, for example, butterfly, grasshopper, cockroach etc.